Hey guys, here is a random compilation of me eating vegan foods at like random points in time. I don't know, there's a lot of other things that I eat but I just haven't filmed. So I probably didn't choose the best things to put in this video, but yeah. Potato wedges.
And they're mine. All mine.
So that is a falafel burger. What I got is this bowl. It has like brown rice, tempeh, mushrooms, tahini, broccoli, avocado. I've already eaten half of it and I forgot to film. But basically the verdict is Mum and Zayden love their vegan falafel burgers, charcoal buns, sweet potato wedges, dairy-free, sumac mayo. They loved it and I'm just like, what do you think?
That's good.
Good. Look, finished, empty. This is so good. Avo?
I love some chunky.
This is really good. Honestly, a lot of you would eat vegan food without even realizing it. So every time you have wedges or potatoes or bread, that's vegan. Like avocado toast, vegan. Like I feel like people think veganism just means like, oh yeah, you know, just vegetables and salad. But that's not true at all. Like it's not true. You can eat a lot. As evident, wedges, sweet potato wedges, falafel burger. I recommend coming to this place. It's so good and apparently they're opening up their own restaurant in July further in Bondi, so I'll let you guys know about that. I love mushroom like a lot. That's really good. And you know what else is vegan? Smoothie bowls. Every time you get like an acai bowl, any sort of smoothie bowl, that is plant-based, my friends.
She loves her food.
Oh yeah.
Because it's the best. And especially because it's vegan. Like,
so now we are at an ice cream place and I got strawberry sorbet. Because it's a sorbet, that means it's dairy free, and dairy free means it's vegan, so yeah. By the way, this isn't like a vegan ice cream place. This is a normal ice cream place. They just have other options. This is really good. Okay, so mind my head. Made pizzas at home. My mum made fresh dough. This is my one. Look, I know that looks like shit, okay? Like, no doubt about that. But it tasted good. Not a massive fan of like vegan cheese, so I didn't really want to go for an alternative because even if I use vegan cheese, I still don't like the gooey consistency. So I just wanted it without. Kind of like a bruschetta pizza, like herb bread, but anyway. But obviously I made it without cheese because like didn't want it. So yeah, that's vegan pizza for you. That'd be a good thumbnail. Oh, I forgot to say what I put on it. This side has pesto and then like mushrooms and zucchini. That side has tomato base with zucchini, capsicum and olives. It's pretty good though, nice and doughy, which is what I like. I've eaten the whole thing because currently at an Indian restaurant and I got 3 curries and rice. This one is saag dal that has chickpeas and spinach. This one has mushroom, potato and peas.
and that's aloo matar. This one is just mixed vegetables, and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna eat all of it. And they're all gluten-free and dairy-free, combination of protein and carbs. This one's just breaking his fast. Mum. Yeah. Like the best Indian place in Sydney was our go-to. It's the Newtown North Indian Diner. It is like, honestly, if you live in Sydney, you have to come here for really good Indian food. I'm almost done. That whole bottom was filled with rice, so I ate all of it. Finished. Happy belly, happy girl. I've been getting this question a lot, and I feel like a lot of you assume this about me. A lot of you think that I'm vegan, but I'm actually not vegan, and I will explain why. Okay, so basically, I really do support veganism, and I try to eat as plant-based as I can and like avoid meat and dairy when I can. But the reason I'm not vegan at the moment is because like my family is not really on par with it, and I don't blame them. Like, I guess I come from an ethnic background, and I guess because I'm growing and I'm still young, no one really wants me to just cut out major food groups for the moment, which is totally fine, and I understand that. However, yes, I do try to have the most plant-based options possible, and if I'm out, I will try to order something vegan or mostly vegan. And another reason that I'm not is because I actually do love seafood, like especially salmon. I really love salmon, and eggs as well. I have eggs quite frequently. So yes, I do still eat, for now, I do still eat meat and dairy occasionally, but it's not by choice. But that, like I said, that is minimally, because my family's traditional food generally is pretty plant-based. My grandmother from my mum's side normally cooks for us, and she's of Turkish background. And a lot of the Turkish traditional meals that she will make have like rice, or they have like a legume, like chickpeas or green beans, and she'll make that in like a red sauce, like a Turkish lentil soup. So a lot of Middle Eastern Turkish food is vegan anyway, so it works out well for me because I'm still able to enjoy like my family's home cooking. But yeah, just thought I'd let you guys know that. And I'm not one of those people that judges other people for their choices. If you're not interested in veganism, that's fine by me. I'm not gonna judge you, I'm not gonna attack you, I'm not gonna say that's wrong. That's your choice, and that's fine. I guess people kind of have to respect my preferences as well. You do you do whatever works best for you. So for the moment, I'm not able to be fully vegan, but I just try to stick to plant-based foods. So yeah, that's my input on that topic, and if you guys have any more questions, I'm happy to make another video about it. Shoot through some questions and I will answer them in a Q&A.